First of all, I would like to thank God for giving you. Because love, you will always be the best thing I ever had. As I wrote these vows, I recall our first days together and how our relationship started. We were co-workers back then, and I vividly remember our weird setup during our getting to know each other stage. We were already dating at that time, but we always ignored each other in the hallway because we don't want other people to know about us. Fast forward, I became your girlfriend and you became my boyfriend. I just wanted you to know that I am very thankful that you came to my life. Marrying you was the easiest yes of my life. With everything you've been through, I couldn't imagine my life with anyone but you. I want to thank you for loving me the way I am, despite my flaws and imperfections. From day one, you always supported me, lifted me up, encouraged me to do better, and treated me with so much love and respect. I truly appreciate everything you do for me. Today, in front of Jesus Christ, our family and friends, I promise to keep you your own real life. I promise to always trust and respect you. I promise to always be by your side through all of the ups and downs. I vow to always be faithful and always be your best friend, no matter what the future might bring. I promise to be supportive, especially in your goals and ambitions in life. I promise to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I promise that we will be together forever and ever, and I promise that I will love you for all the years of my life. I choose to spend today and all of my tomorrows with you. I love you, love.
I love you. I mean, and I'm proud to be the way you are right now. I love you. But from this day forward, I make a vow to become the best version of myself. The one that God intended for you. Because I understand that God reserves only the best for someone as taught to kind hearted. You need everything set free. Forever grant you wish to share with you for all the advice I want to seek from you, for the support you need, and for every moment of love and tears you want to experience with you. I'll be right beside you, offering my support and encouragement with all the love that comes. Starting today, I promise every action I do will be bring happiness to you and everything to become. I made a solemn pledge to be faithful, true and kind, and to honor and protect your always. I love you now and forever. With all that I am, and all that I am, today and always, you are the only one I choose.